Hi everyone. So I know this slide was a little tricky to navigate, so I wanted to show you how to create your own link for others like me to click on and view what you want me to see. We won't use this tool too much in math, but maybe if you create something like for a project for science, for example, you might want to download a link. So it's just good to know how to do it. Right, so as we can see here, it's asking us to use this link tool here. We can see it right here, but first we have to know the address or the website address in order to add it. So if I just click on this, it tells you that we have to put in the URL. This is the online address to wherever you want us to go. So I'm going to click on Google Earth. So you can see it's taking me to Google Earth. Okay, and then right now it just automatically shows us the state of Tennessee. I'd like for you to find some place in Google Earth that is one of your favorite places to go. So I'm going to click on this magnifying glass here, and then up here at the top, try to move that just a bit, you can see a search bar. I'm going to type in New York City. I love to go to New York City. So it's going to take me there. All right. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the Google address of this site here. So let me scroll up just a little bit more. I'm going to highlight that, copy it, and then come back over to my Classkick, click on that link tool, title it My Favorite Place. You can put whatever title that makes the best sense for you, and then paste that URL there, that Google address that I had copied. Click Save. And as you can see, it popped up, and I can move this wherever I want to. So I'm going to move it over here to the top right corner. It makes it easy for my teacher to see. So when my teacher comes into my page, she will see this, or he will see this. We'll click on it, and guess what? It takes us right where you wanted us to go.